And Camson para sa Caloocan. Alarcon against Tayungtong. Aaron lost it. He recovers. Bigay kay Aldrich Ramos. Masyadong malakas. Raylan Torres. Put back is good.
So much better.
Joko Tayungtong. Binabantayan ni Harold Alarcon. Camson.
That's
Over
money.
Ramos.
That is money.
Alam mo na no?
Oh, posisyon pa lang niya. The way he wanted the basketball was pushed out a little bit, but still in his range. Iba talaga pag maganda ang bitaw.
Alarcon, separation, jumper won't go. Biton with the rebound, takbo ang Caloocan. 3-on-2. Razon is open. The three is good. So many shot makers on the floor, Christian. And if it's that open, alam mo na kung ano mangyayari.
And I like the poise of Chris Biton. We mentioned the embarrassment of riches for the guard play for both teams. Biton, I thought, is the one that is really capitalizing. Tulad ng sidestep move na yun. Slicing through the middle is Patrick Sleet.
Ganda. Ganda.
Gotta love the sidestep.
Oo.
That's why I miss Manu Ginobili.
Yeah. Biton.
Yung,
Fires.
yung
No.
sidestep hindi yung buhok.
Okay. Kala ko kasama na yun.
The first version, yung mahabang buhok pa niya.
Cortea. Bigay kay Aldrich. Natapik ni Tayungtong. Aldrich able to recover. Terence fires. Still no good. Torres with the offensive rebound. Fade away. Still no go. Aldrich Ramos. Ayaw pa rin. Aldrich. Eric Camson helps him. Nabla tayo. 3 minutes gone by in the fourth.
And he wants this matchup against Soyun. Pero kita mo naman, trying to fish for the foul. Camson.
Manangin, masyado malalim. Camson. Razon, baba sa ilalim. Eric Camson, no good. Villapando loses the handle. Step on the line. Ran out. Tayungtong gets past Abadiano. Jammer, one-hander. Can't get the roll. Soyud with a rebound. It's on to Terence Forte. Manny Bay is the digital wallet built for the community. Soyud able to draw the foul. So,
To go with their last 5 guys to try to win the ball game.
Ronnie Matias will check in the next dead ball. Cabanag. They go to Jammer against Raul. Aminto, short. Soyud with the rebound. Bigay kay Fortea. Andiyan na sa loob si Orlan Romar. And Jerry Abadiano as well. Fortea's runner. It's short. Raul. No. Napik napunta kay Jeremy Cabanag. Razon. Good close out there by Villapando. Cabanag launches. Amito got away with a push there.
Dito sa mga ganitong klaseng koponan, hindi pwede mga pusong mamon. Yung tipong matagal ka nakaupo, tapos nagtatampo-tampuhan ka na. That's a foul, clearly. Pero, trying to say
This right here.
that's a foul.
Yeah, momentum niya eh.
Momentum niya.
Holding Orlan Omar. Razon to Cabanag. Matias. Villapando nakabantay sa kanya. Babasa ilalim kay Camson. Natapik ni Soyud. Balik kay Camson. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Nice move by Eric Camson. No good. Can't get the roll.
Sa mukha.
A little frustration being shown there by Eric Camson.
They're gonna review this.
Yun, natamaan dito sa kanang bahagi naman. This is the 3-guard call on the stretch. Villapando Atake. No. Soyud though with a stick back. Attracting a couple of defenders there was Villapando. Kaya nalibre si Raul para sa offensive rebounds. Now 5-point lead for the San Juan Knights.
That's a great point you made because I know nagsorry kagad sa bench itong si Villapando but he doesn't realize his penetration opened up the offensive rebound of Soyud.
They go inside. Matias out-muscling Villapando for 2.
Doon dapat siya talaga mag-sorry. Because that was just too easy even though Matias was given a screen. You gotta learn how to fight through that.
Let's check out the official outfitter of the MPBL. No sign, partner, no sign of Mike Calisan, huh?
Right. Ito fourth quarter, no? Has yet to see action. Tinawagan si Ronnie Matias and had quite the staring game.
Torres, jumper. Masyado malakas. Villapando with another rebound. Looking for Abadiano. Jerry gets it to Wamar. The jumper, no.
Torres once again right there. Yeah. That's a specialty.
They forgot about Reylan Torres in high school.
Okay.
Ano yan eh? Well, long time Torres yung mayor dun sa Bago City.
All this time, Bacolod yan, di ba?
Bago City.
Yeah, pero hindi sa... Okay.
That's outside.
Outside of it?
That's the next...
Outskirts?
That's the next city after Bacolod. And that is a city famous,
Okay.
made famous by the Olympians, the Velasco brothers, Onyok and Roel Velasco.
Okay. Specialty of the house. Jerry Abadiano, thank you for educating me with that. Ikaw, Bacolod ka, tama?
Bacolod.
Tama.
Raul Soyun is also from Bago City.
Okay.
But he grew up just outside Bacolod. Dun sa may border ng Bacolod sa Bago. It's a little change in our scoreboard here. Torres will launch it. Reylan Torres with another big basket after that stick back earlier. Sleet with a steal. Patrick Sleet on the way to the cup. No. What a turnaround here for San Juan. Biton. 4-3. Yes.
Now that's a that's a 4-point swing right there of what was supposed to be 5-point swing rather. What was supposed to be a layup on the other end to extend the lead. Naging layup sa kabila but Torres will try to answer, wala.
He checked there for Reylan Torres. Baclaan. Spinning and losing the handle. Back the other way, Abadiano is fouled by Baclaan. Fourth quarter.
Ito, yeah, no, but really San Juan made their run in the third quarter and you gotta give a lot of credit to the guy, number 23 in a white shirt, na nag-dive para sa
And
bola.
your guy right here.
Yeah, si Reylan
Tinuro
Torres
ka pa.
din. Oo. Pero you talk about a guy who has had an impact, no? Villapando, definitely that guy who did not see action in the first half, gets the starting nod to start the quarter. Right there, basket-saving play to get this possession.
Sleet, Bumelo, atake, runner, won't go. Razon comes away with the loose ball. Jeno Razon, fouled by Wamar. Let's give the people what they want. Biton against Torres. Biton over Torres. He was well defended by Reylan Torres.
Rebound number 8 for Villapando, all in the second half.
Sleet, Abadiano. Pull up.
Specialty.
No. Rebound Tayungtong. Kailangan magmadali ng kalookan dito. Joko. Oh. Villapando. Right place at the right time. That should do it. That should be a foul. Ooh.
Yun lang.
No call.
Jerry had to cross half court to avoid the 8-second violation. Forced shot. And there you go. That's the game. How about that? I think that's rebound number 10 for Villapando.
And that's it. Huge win for the San Juan Knights.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays. Woo!